Hello everyone, in this video we will create an exercise on virtual and override. And if you haven't watched my previous video, which is about import and inheritance, please watch it, because virtual and override is a continuation of import and inheritance. So as you can see, we have contract B, which is empty, and we have contract A, which is also empty, and there is no relation between A and B. So what we want to do with this exercise is we will access the functions and variables of contract A from contract B. And to do that, first of course I need to put some variables and functions here. So we will have a uint variable and also a function, and this function is updating the value for this uint variable, as simple as that. So if I want to access contract A from contract B, first I must use import, and as they are in the same folder I can say dot slash, and now I will say sol, and here I need to use inheritance keyword is A, and that's it. This will let me to access the functions and variables of contract A. And but the thing with the main purpose of this exercise is to use virtual and override. So if I ask you to update this function, how would you do that? The implementation part. Imagine that I am asking you to say plus 66 here. So how would you do that? You cannot do it on the contract A. So you might be tempted to copy it, go to your contract B and paste it here, and then say that num plus, I don't know, 77. So if you do it like that, this will be a horrible mistake actually. And the reason is, when you use inheritance, it means that you are copying, you can think it like that. You are copying the functions and variables of contract A and pasting them here. So as you can see, from Solidity point of view, right now you have two functions with the same name, which is gonna throw an error. So it means that you cannot do it like this. You cannot basically copy the function, paste it here, and change the implementation part. You cannot do that. But Solidity provides you with the virtual and override keywords so that you can do this. So to do that, you just need to go to your target function, tag it as virtual, and then you will go to your function inside your contract, and you will tag this as override. Okay, so that you will connect this function to this function, and now you can update the implementation part as you want. But with virtual and override, you can only update the implementation part. You cannot update the access modifiers, function parameters, or function name. Okay, so that's it actually. Now let's save this, compile it, deploy it. We don't need to deploy contract A. And now if I call my number, it's 5, and if I say 4, this should return me 81, I guess. So now let's check it. Yeah, it's 81. So that's how you use virtual and override. See you next time. Bye bye.